Hello everyone. In this video I will talk about how we can create a time-lapse video for a specific location and with a specific time period using any satellite imagery that are available from Sentinel Hub, for example, using Sentinel 1, Sentinel 2, 3, or even Landsat imagery or MODIS. So, how can we do that? Well, the first thing is that you have to have the account in Sentinel Hub, which I will put the link in the course. And after you log in to the account, you can just do this steps and can create the time-lapse video for any place that you want. So the first thing is that you have to select the study area. And how can you do that? You just click here from the polygon. For example, you use this one and you click here, and after that you click the study area, and after that you select the type of satellite that you want. For example, I want Sentinel 2. I'm gonna just click on it, and I will use this one, and with, for example, less than 10%, and I'm just gonna click. And the date is not important now because I can change it later, so I'm just gonna click search. For example, I'm gonna click this one, any place here. So I'm gonna just visualize, and for example I wanna have this because this is the water, so I'm gonna choose this type of visualization, which is NDWI, normalized difference water index. It's used for differentiate the water from other bodies. And of course, if you want for the urban area, you can choose true color or different types of indexes or false color. So after that, I'm gonna just click here. There is a create time-lapse animation, and it will give you the data that are available here. But before creating the video or time-lapse, there are some things that I want to change. So the first thing is that I want to change this for week imagery, not day imagery. So in each week, which from here I can select the date, for example, from April or June, from June 2 of June until 2024, for example, June. I want this time, and also I can use the month, and also here I can choose the cloud coverage for 10 or 5 centimeter or 5%, sorry. So after that you're gonna just click I'm gonna here make it all the coverage area, and I'm gonna click search, and it will give me all the images that are available from 2022 to 2024, for each month one image. So it will be, of course, using the NDWI, and it takes some time, and here it will give you all the available images, and you can look at here that it will be updated again and again, and we will wait until all the images will be loaded after some calculations, and you can just know that this is the last image because it is 1st of June 2024, and this last date from my selected date. And after that you can just here see all the images, and if you don't like an image to be included in the time lapse, you can just unselect it. For example, I don't want this one because this is, I think maybe it's a cloud, so I don't want this one. For example, you just include it and exclude it, and here you can see the pre-save of the um, time lapse. So you can just click here and you see the uh, in time lapse video, and here you can change the speed. For example, You can just here change it, and it's 23 images are available for the study area. And if you see that, I think there is another image that's not this one, which is 27 of 4 or April. I think it's a cloud, for example this one. I don't want this one. So here you can see if you like the image or product. Then also there is a fade which is more beautiful. You can here again replay it, and it's more beautiful than using the. It's really amazing. You can just create the imagery that you want for your study area, and using different indexes, not just RGB or true color or false color, not using just sentinel 2, not using just for 2021 2024. You can use any imagery to create the time lapse video. So you can only you only need to click on download, and it will process, and it will be downloaded in some seconds after preparation. So you will wait until it's downloaded,